So Congress finally reauthorized the EB5 Regional Center Program, a lot of changes and some increases in fees. We're going to talk about all this in this video. So if you're interested in the EB5 program, you want to become an investor in the United States, I'll see you on the other side. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Immigration Channel. This is the place where we get the most up-to-date immigration news, immigration information, and everything else that you need to make your immigration journey less stressful. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California, and I work with a lot of investors both on the e-visa process as well as the EB5 green card application. So in this video, I'll give you a full update about the reauthorization of the EB5 program and also some changes to this program. Before we do that, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, subscribe to our channel, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to share this video with more people just like you. So, what's happening with EB5? We've been waiting for this for so long. The EB5 Regional Center Program will be reauthorized through fiscal year 2027. As you know, this program has been expired since June 30th, 2021. The new bill imposes new minimum amounts for EB5 investment. If you're applying as a regular investor, standard, the new amount is $1,050,000. If you're applying for a regional center, as an investor in a regional center, the new amount is $800,000. With this reauthorization, USCIS will be able to start accepting new EB5 applications and continue adjudicating applications that were stuck in limbo waiting for this to continue. It is currently unclear when those cases will be resumed processing. Of course, we'll update you once we have new information. Congress has filed the EB5 Reform and Integrity Act of 2022, which reauthorizes the EB5 Regional Center Program all the way through 2027. Increases the amount of investment for EB5 projects. The new law is expected to be signed by the President very soon. So what happens if you have currently a pending case? If you have currently a pending case, we're still waiting for instruction from USCIS when they're going to be resuming adjudication of your cases that were sitting in limbo after the expiration of the program. This law specifically prohibits the denial of any applications just because they were sitting there waiting for the program to be reauthorized. So if your case was denied just because of that, so if your case was denied just for that reason, this is not right, you should be able to fight that decision if that happened. As you know, they also increased the amounts for investment. So right now it's $800,000 for regional center and $1,050,000 for a regular standard EB5. And also, based on this new legislation, every 5 years, they're going to be reconsidering these amounts and possibly increasing. So in 5 years from now, they will increase the amount of investment. I don't know about what percentage, but it's definitely going to be increasing. That's what they said. The new law also sets specific quotas for different EB5 projects. For example, 20% of EB5 visas are reserved for international investors who invest in rural areas of the United States. 10% of these visas are reserved for foreign nationals who are investing in areas with high unemployment. And 2% of these visas are reserved for investors who are investing in a new category, which is called qualifying infrastructure projects, administered by state or federal government. And any unused visas in the respective categories are going to be rolled over to the following year to be used in the same category again. Another interesting change is that investors who have their visas available immediately, meaning that their visas are current, they're going to be able to file their EB5 applications together with their adjustment of status concurrently, which means they're going to be able to stay in the United States and be able to work. This is something that is not available at the moment, but with this new change, you'll be able to file your application concurrently and adjust your status inside the United States. Also, regional centers are going to be subject to higher scrutiny. They're going to be monitored more by the government to make sure that their processing and their operations are done correctly. Additional fees for EB5 investors, an additional 1,000 fee in addition to the regular filing fees, will be subject from each investor. These fees will be used for the Integrity Fund. This is a fund that the government will create to be able to monitor this program in a more efficient manner. So as you can see, quite a few changes, and a lot of investors are interested in getting back to the program, getting back to investing, and getting their green cards for the EB5 program. So we are obviously here available. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. And if you're interested in starting your EB5 journey, text me here, 619-483-4549. I'm here for you. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.